saying, guys, Sierra, and she's like saying, I didn't do anything.
Sierra.
See, she did it. You did it. You did it. Yeah, you did it.
So I sound like a guy.
No, you
Really?
sound like Gary.
Oh, so now I sound like a guy.
No, you don't.
You are losing your mind.
I'm not losing my mind. Okay, guys.
Sierra.
See? It was so her. She's like saying that close up I can hear ya.
No, please tell her she's lost it.
No, I did not lose it. Just please believe it, guys. She's out of her mind right now. She's back. She's back.
Cece's hearing things again.
No, I did not. No, I did not. You're acting weird. You're acting weird, Mom.
You're the weirdo.
I'm not the weirdo. You're just saying. Yeah, you said it. You said it. You're just hiding back there because you're like that.
Nothing.
Mom is just scaring me right now.
And I'm very offended that you say I sound like a guy.
No, I did not say that. It said you almost sound like Gary, man. Do those.
Yeah.
See, it was so her. Like she's saying this. This is so April Fool's
Do you
Day.
see my lips moving? No.
Well, because you're back there hiding, you silly Billy.
Because I'm not saying it, silly Billy.
Yeah, I heard you.
And I do not sound like a guy.
Yes, you do.
Oh, thanks.
No, you sound like Gary. Just look at her. She's ready. She's ready to say it again. She's ready to say it again. See, she's laughing. She knows she's. You know you're losing it. You know you're losing it. Oh my God! It was so her. I know her voice. So it's so her, man. She might be saying that. Oh my God! You sound like a squeaky voice. You did it! I saw your lips moving.
My lips have not moved. I'm not saying
I know you're lying. Your lips are moving. It was so true.
I can feel my face when I'm with you because I punched you.
You punched me. You actually had to say that. Okay, one more time. Let's go do it again. She's not doing it again. No more pranks? God, oh my gosh, look at this. It's shiny. It looks like around his eyes. What? You're like saying, Sierra.
Losing it, people.
I'm not losing it. I'm just putting it on YouTube because this is the most top 10 funniest moments of moms. Well, because it almost did when I went back there. Oh my God.
So you're basically saying that Gary sounds like a girl and I sound like
You sound like somebody I never heard.
You said it, not me.
Awkward silence. Awkward silence. Awkward silence. You said it. You said it. And I'm going to put it on YouTube. And I'm going to look. Look, Mom. You did this. You actually said a word. See, she's cuckoo. She has cross-eyed eyes now. And by the way,
I don't think the YouTubers are really going to appreciate the way you talk about your mama.
well, you're just joking.
Just saying.
Awkward silence.
So, go ahead. Post it if you want to.
The awkward
Get my
silence.
house on camera.
Awkward silence with Sierra Britt. I'm pretty sure.
Maybe it was the baby.
Manky was.
It's probably the baby.
Oh God, you're creepy, Mom. You're not creepy. See, you did it. I know you're lying. Your lips are moving. Your lips are moving. Gary,
You're losing it.
you're losing it. Look, you're like saying everything like. You said it. You said it.
Anything.
You sound like. Okay, if anyone hears this on camera, you'll actually believe me. The joke is on.
Maybe it's
Hear
It's
it
probably the baby.
or don't hear it. Not the baby. Babies can't talk yet. babies can't talk yet. And this is the awkward silence with Sierra Bit. And also, she's saying that because she's joking, but I'm pretty sure one day there's gonna be something saying Sierra my name. Dun dun. Okay, bye. This sounds weird. Like my eyes. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the mirror right now. Just look there. Now I'm looking at the mirror. Okay, bye. La la la. What happens? Did you ever hear your mother just joking you saying like your name and then you go to her and say like, you did it, Mom. And then she's like, I'm not doing anything. Then she's just pranking y'all. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this funny video of my mom trying to prank me. Bye. Awkward silence.